Enhance the visual appeal of your videos with our tutorial on 6 stunning transitions in CapCut PC. Let's start by dragging the photos you want to use into the timeline. Duplicate the second photo clip and overlay it on top. Adjusting the duration to around 1 second. Move the overlay photo clip to align with the end of the first photo clip. Navigate to the Video Remove BG feature. Click on Custom Removal. Outline the object, in this case, a house. Click Apply to remove the background of the house. Next, go to the Stickers section. Search for hand, find a suitable hand sticker, add it to the timeline. And adjust its position and size to match the house. Select both the hand and house layers. Right-click and create a compound clip. Move the playhead to the end of the compound clip. Shift it 1 frame forward. Go to Video Basics and add a transform keyframe. Move the playhead to the starting position of the clip. Adjust the size and position of the clip and move it off screen. Now, let's see the transition effect we've created. Repeat the same process for the other clips. And there you have it. I hope this video tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching. For this demonstration, we'll be working with 2 video clips. Move the playhead to the beginning of the second clip, click on Freeze, and create a freeze clip. Adjust the duration of the freeze clip to 1 second. Move the freeze clip to the top layer and align it with the end of the first clip. Go to the video mask, choose the circle shape. Adjust the position and size to match the car tire. And click on Reverse. Navigate to Video Basic. Move the playhead to the end of the freeze clip, step back 1 frame, and add a transform keyframe. At the beginning of the clip, adjust the scale and position as needed. Right-click on the freeze clip, duplicate, and paste a copy. go to the video mask, click on Reverse. In the Video Basics settings, move the playhead to a suitable position in the middle of the clip and drag the tire off the screen. Click on the first keyframe and drag the tire off the screen as well. Head to the Effect tab, search for Vibration, and add Vibration Flash to the timeline. Lastly, click on the second video clip, go to the Animation tab, apply the turbulence animation. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let's take a look at this video as our example. To kick things off, duplicate your clips on the timeline. Proceed to the Remove BG option and choose Auto Removal. Once that's completed, select the bottom clip. Navigate to the Mask tool and opt for the horizontal mask. Adjust the mask so that the person moving across the frame reveals the blank area of the screen. Now, add mask keyframes. As the video plays, move the mask to track the subject. You can refine the mask edges by extending these arrows outward. Next, select both layers, right-click, and create a compound clip. Lastly, place the transition video clip beneath the compound clip. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Let's take these two videos as our example. Begin by dragging and dropping them onto the timeline in CapCut. Now head over to the Transitions tab and search for the Blocks transition. If it's not already downloaded, simply click on the download icon to acquire it. Next, click on the plus sign to add the Blocks transition to your project, or drag and drop the transition between your two video clips on the timeline. Once the Blocks transition is added, you'll see a gray box between the two video clips. Play the video to see the Blocks transition in action. To adjust the transition time, you can drag the gray box or adjust the duration settings. If you have multiple clips, you can click on Apply to All to apply the transition to all clips. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you in enhancing your video editing skills. Let's use these two videos as examples. For the video before the transition, choose one with a clear, straight edge, like a tree or a pole. To start, drag the video before the transition onto the timeline. Next, move the playhead to the point in the preview screen where the tree's right side enters. Navigate to the video mask settings and apply a horizontal mask. Rotate and shift the mask line to the far right of the preview screen. Add a slight feathering effect. Add a mask keyframe. Now, as you move the playhead forward, align the mask line with the edge of the tree. Continuously move the playhead forward and adjust the mask's position to ensure it moves in sync with the tree's motion, achieving a seamless transition effect. Next, move this video clip to the upper layer. Place the video clip after the transition on the bottom layer. Turn off the main track magnet and move the transition clip to the starting position of the first keyframe of the upper video clip. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial proves helpful to you. To start, gather a set of street signs images to use for the match cut transition. You can search for relevant keywords on pexls.com and download them for free. Click on the menu at the top left. Go to Settings, choose Edit, and adjust the image duration to 0.1 seconds. Next, drag all the images into the timeline. Click on Ratio at the bottom right corner of the preview screen and choose the appropriate aspect ratio for your project. Now, your timeline may display unaligned photos. Select one photo as a reference, duplicate it, move the duplicate to the top layer. Adjust its duration and overlay it on top of all the photos. Select the duplicate of the reference photo, go to the Basic tab, and scroll down to find the Blend option. Adjust the opacity until you can clearly see the other photos. Around 40% opacity usually works well. Adjust size and position to match the ratio. Now lock the duplicate of the reference photo. Click on the bottom layer images, adjust scale and position aligning the photos to match the reference photo. Repeat this process for all the photos to create a cohesive match cut transition effect. Once you're done, delete the duplicate of the reference photo. And there you have it. Your street signs match cut transition is complete. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.